Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into: curriculum backward design. In this video we will be uncovering the history, method, advantages and ultimately how to effectively design a curriculum using this approach. This method, also known as backward design or the Understanding by Design (UBD) framework, was originally introduced by Grant Wiggins and J. McTighe in their seminal book, Understanding the Design, published in 1998. In this framework, the design process starts with the end goal in mind, desired learning outcomes, or what is commonly referred to as learning objectives. These objectives are based on enduring understandings, essential questions, and the desired knowledge, skills, and dispositions students should acquire. Let's explore a few compelling reasons why this method has gained popularity among educators and instructional designers. Firstly, backward design promotes student-centered learning. By designing curriculum with clear learning objectives, educators can focus on creating meaningful and engaging learning experiences that actively involve learners. Secondly, curriculum backward design enhances coherence and alignment within the curriculum. By starting with the end in mind, educators can ensure that each component, be it lessons, activities, or assessments, is intentional, relevant, and connected to the overreaching learning goals. Lastly, backward design stimulates the development of higher order thinking skills. By focusing on the application and transfer of knowledge, students are encouraged to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving abilities that are essential for success in the 21st century. So let's discuss how we can effectively design a curriculum using this approach. Here are some key steps to consider. Step number 1. Identify the desired learning outcomes. Determine what knowledge, skills, and dispositions you want your students to acquire by the end of the curriculum. Step number 2. Plan assessments. Once the learning outcomes are established, design assessments that align with these goals. These assessments should provide opportunities for students to demonstrate their understanding, application, and transfer of knowledge. Step number 3. Develop instructional strategies and activities. With the learning outcomes and assessments in place, design the instructional strategies and activities that will best support student learning and achievement of the desired outcomes. Step number 4. Determine resources and materials. Consider the resources and materials required to facilitate the curriculum. Ensure that the chosen resources align with the desired learning outcomes and enhance student understanding. Step number 5. Assess and revise. Continuous evaluation and revision are vital in the design process. Regularly assess students' progress and collect feedback to identify areas of improvement. Make adjustments to the curriculum as needed to enhance its effectiveness, addressing any gaps or misconceptions that may arise. In conclusion, I have to say that by starting with the end goal in mind, aligning all components of the curriculum, promoting student-centered learning, and emphasizing higher order thinkings, educators can create highly engaging and purposeful educational experience for their students. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.